As you can see, the speedometer in my Civic was acting a fool. It didn't want to behave. The speedometer started acting up on the way home from work one day. So before I went to work the next day, I decided to look at the connection to the speed sensor and see if there was anything obvious like corrosion or something that would cause a bad connection. The speed sensor lives on the left side of the engine bay on top of the transmission on the side that is closest to the firewall. So I removed the plug. Nothing jumps out as bad on it, but I'm gonna keep digging. So I might have found the problem. I was gonna take it off and this screw right here was already loose. Like, I can move it with my hand before when I put the socket on it was already loose. So I'm still gonna take it off and check it, but yeah, it would be nice if that's all that was wrong with it. So I took the speed sensor out and the gear looks good. So as long as it's getting good engagement, I know that's okay. So I'm guessing it's a signal thing because the way the speedometer was jumping, it might have been a signal thing. So I separated the top, which goes on like this. And I don't know if you can tell, but it could be a little dirty in there. But the fact that one of these screws was loose may have been the issue. So I'm going to clean this out a little bit, throw it back on, and drive to work and see if I have any issues. So here it is back together, but now I'm just going to throw it back in. Well, I got it back in the car. Fingers crossed, and that's all it is. I'm gonna head to work. The speedometer acted up on the drive to and from work. Well, that's it. My speedometer fluctuated and now it is dead. Oh, it came back to life and I'm going way faster than I thought I should be. Damn. And after looking at it, the screw that connected the top to the bottom of the speed sensor wasn't loose enough for the little rod that connects the top and the bottom to not do its job. So I have to look at other things. So I'm a little lucky because I have this B series transmission and it has a speed sensor, and this is the same one that is on the D series transmission. So I can swap this over and see if it works. I wonder if I only need this part and this part can stay. Nevertheless, I'll take the other part out and see if it works. I looked into buying a new one, and all I would have needed is the top part. The bottom part rotates and the top part converts that rotation to a signal that the speedometer recognizes. I don't know exactly how the computer in this car receives this signal and distributes it, but I do know that without it, my cruise control wouldn't work either. Alright, let's see if it works. Thankfully, it worked right away, and it has been working for hundreds of miles. I'm glad that was a quick and easy fix. I document everything I do to maintain and improve my cars. If you like to follow along, hit subscribe. If you like to see the things I've already done, check out my playlist. Thanks for watching. Take care.